The lights, the patterns, and the fast movement. Every light you see is a drone moving in sync with other drones to put on a dazzling display. These shows may be the future of 4th of July celebrations.
We're definitely going to see them to continue to grow in the future.
Rick Boss is the president of Sky Elements Drone Shows. The Texas-based company originally started.
ABC 7 News has paused its regular programming to bring you an emergency alert system message. Please stand by. ABC 7 News has paused its regular programming to bring you an emergency alert system message. Please stand by. ABC 7 News has paused its regular programming to bring you an emergency alert system message. Please stand by. ABC 7 News has paused its regular programming to bring you an emergency alert system message. Please stand by.
The following message was requested by the New York Police Department. At 3:35 p.m. an explosion at Times Square occurred. The police has deemed this as a terrorist attack at this time. Evacuate New York. People near New York should evacuate as well. As for the rest of New York State, stay tuned to news outlets for more information. Alert, alert. A nuclear missile is heading towards Los Angeles, New York City, Houston, and Chicago, but also for Vancouver, Ottawa, Toronto, and Quebec City. At this time, all citizens of Canada and the United States should seek shelter as the nuclear explosion will create fallout. Fallout is radioactive particles that are carried into the atmosphere after a nuclear explosion or accident and gradually fall back as dust. The missiles came from an unknown location, but the missiles will hit in less than an hour. Make sure to have 14 days of food, fresh water, a medical kit, and a battery-powered radio.
May God bless us all. May God bless us all.